Hey folks, join me today as we learn about whitlows, aka finger felons, and click subscribe for new medical videos every week.
There it goes. Something to wipe.
Oh shit, let me take a picture.
If not treated in a timely manner, they can cause bone, joint, and tendons to become infected. They can also cause permanent damage to the tissue.
This is this felon was treated with the vertical incision, and then you were put on amoxicillin. Let's see that. Oh, amoxicillin type. Okay, so augment. All right.
Anyone else a fan of Dr. Larry Melick? He's an amazing medical doctor, and I suggest you subscribe to his page. So comment below, before today, have you ever heard of one of these? And if you've had one, leave a comment and share your story below.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.